Hey, you guys, it's Marianne, and I just wanted to go over week 1 for you. So, as always, click Composition 1. Here we are. And then you're going to click Content. Well, read my announcement if I have one. Click Content. And then here's the table of contents. Just click whatever week we are in and read the directions, the heads up. And basically, it's do what it says and upload. Do what it says and upload. Get the content by watching the video or looking at the PowerPoint or going where I tell you to go, and then upload the assignment. You can upload with a Word document. You can upload with a Google Doc link. You can upload with a, what else can you upload? Well, the annotations, you can upload screenshots if you handwrite your annotations. So those are the 3 options. So again, just this week you're going to be doing a fair amount, yes, but you guys, I got to tell you, we are condensing 16 weeks worth of work into 8 weeks. So it is going to be fast and furious. Just, I can't stress that enough. Every week, you're going to have a discussion board. Every week, you're going to have a spruce up lesson. Every week, I want you to practice your writing terms. Every week, I want you to do your commas. And then you'll always have a reading assignment as well. So this is every week you're going to be having these things. And then week 1, lesson and assignments, you're going to have an article reflection due. If you click here, you'll learn how to do annotations, which are needed for the article reflections. The PowerPoint that I use is here. To write the article reflection, you can choose any one of these texts. Annotation, but you have to read 2 texts and then annotate both texts and then choose from one of those 2 what an article that you want to write about for your article reflection assignment. So here's a video about how to write the article reflection. Here's a sample. Use the sample as a template. Just copy it and just erase the content and just use it as a template. View notes on paraphrases. This is a YouTube video. It's only 3 minutes. Take notes on direct quotes. There's 2 videos on direct quotes. 2. Video 1 and video 2. And then upload your article reflection. Here's general essay content. This is a quick video about the writing process. This is a quick video about general essay organization. And then we start in on our This I Believe. So the This I Believe is based on this NPR program, and it has certain themes, and these links are on the This I Believe rubric. These are examples of This I Believe. This one is one of my favorites. This is Howard White. He talks about how it really helps. You never know how much of a positive impact you might have on somebody when you go down the street and just say hi. And how much does it cost you? It doesn't cost you anything, but yet it might mean the world to the stranger that you pass. So that's what he writes about. But this link, not this link is provided, but links to other PowerPoints are provided here. Choose one, read about it, and I don't know why that popped up. Choose one, read about it, and listen to it, whatever you want to do, and write about it in the discussion board. But in the meantime, it gives you samples of essays I'm expecting from you with regard to the This I Believe essay. This is essay 1. Let's see what else. So there is a rubric here, This I Believe. And then NPR's Race Card Project, that is a discussion board, and you introduce yourself. Here's the This I Believe. This is this week's discussion board where you take a look at any one of those essays, write about it in the discussion board. Week 1 annotations. This is the Dropbox for the first text that is annotated. This is the Dropbox for the second text that you're going to annotate. And this is the Dropbox on the article for the article reflection on one of the texts. We're moving into brainstorming for the This I Believe. This video talks about brainstorming and what you can do for brainstorming. You upload what you did for brainstorming. Working thesis. This video explains the thesis. It's working. That means it's going to change. As you progress in your writing, you're going to come up with new ideas, different organization. It's a working thesis. It changes. It should change. You got to start somewhere, though. This I Believe rough draft. The rough draft is the outline. The rough draft is the outline. Every week you have a spruce up. This week is commas. Narrative assignment. So in This I Believe, you have a lot of narrative assignments or narrative techniques. And there's supposed to be a lesson in here. I better get that in there for you guys. So there's a lesson on narrative techniques, and then you're going to identify those narrative techniques in any one of these texts. Any one of these texts. Ben Carson talks about This I Believe, about how important his mother is to him. National Geographic is a description of a North Dakota ghost town. Hit and Run, you're going to kill me afterwards because it's a twist at the end and you want to just, I don't know, you're probably going to just, Marianne, what the heck? This was just maddening. So you might like that one too. This one was written by a student at the University of Detroit Mercy. So anyways, I hope this helps, and I hope you guys have a great day. Please reach out if you have any questions, comments, or hiccups.